How to remove facial verification in Binance, step-by-step guide. Are you tired of Binance facial verification and want to remove it? In this tutorial, I'll show you the step-by-step process to disable facial verification in Binance easily. First, open your Binance app and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner and select Security from the menu. Now, scroll down and tap on Identity Verification. Here, you'll see all the verification methods linked to your account. Find the facial verification section. If there's an option to remove or disable it, tap on it and follow the instructions. Binance may require additional security steps to confirm this change. If there's no direct option to remove facial verification, you'll need to contact Binance support. Go to the Help Center, search for Remove Facial Verification, and choose Contact Support. Request them to disable it and follow their instructions. Binance may ask for additional security verification, like an email or SMS code. Enter the required details to complete the process. Once Binance confirms the change, check your security settings again to ensure facial verification is removed successfully. And that's it. You've successfully removed facial verification from Binance. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.